Welcome to Dale Frazier Photography. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that I've been asked several times and I've talked to other YouTubers about over the last 7 years. And one of the questions that always comes up is, does sub for sub actually work? The answer may surprise you, so let's get to the video. Over the years, I've done a lot of experimentation on my two other channels that are monetized. One of the things that comes up pretty regular is this: what about doing sub for sub and does it work? I'll say this: if you're not monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers to become monetized, and you need 4,000 watch hours to become monetized. So it's kind of a combination deal. Well, the most obvious answer is yes. If you do sub for sub with another YouTuber, especially a new YouTuber, then hypothetically you're going to be getting another tick mark towards your 1,000 subscribers that you need to monetize your channel. Here's where the problem comes in. If you're a good, hard-working, honest person and you're actually watching all their videos, you're helping them get their 4,000 watch hours. The problem comes in with this. You're going to notice, and I've seen it happen on several channels, and my answers will get shorter and shorter to the people that do this. But there's a lot of people out there that are going to click on your video and they're going to be a subscriber of yours because you've agreed to the sub, and you're going to get comments like, "Great job, well done, nicely done." And they're not commenting at all. Essentially what they're doing is they're going over there long enough to be on your video, to leave a comment, and then they leave. The next thing that you're going to notice that's going to happen is you're going to watch your watch time on that video shrink rapidly, because anytime somebody clicks on your video and they only watch it for the 5 seconds that it takes to write "great job," it's messing up your watch time. So in short, my answer is, I don't believe sub for sub helps you as much as getting a true sub. And that's my opinion, but you can do with it what you want. But if you do the sub for sub, take note, keep a close eye, go to your analytics and watch and see what your watch time is. After your video's been up for, I think, 3 or 4 hours is when you actually start getting the analytics on it. If they're watching in that first couple of hours, don't be surprised if your watch time dwindles significantly. In the end, that actually hurts your channel, because the way that the YouTube analytics works, they want more of a percentage of your video watched than what these guys that are just coming over and commenting saying awesome work or whatever. I mean, whatever silly comment they're leaving, it's not going to help you. I hope this helps, guys. Again, we've started an entire series on how to grow your channel. We've started off with how much money we made the first year that we were on YouTube. You can click a link up there and it'll take you to that playlist. Again, guys, we appreciate your likes, comments, and subscribes. May you have a blessed week, and let's get outside and shoot